This part covers such Axxon Next options as data storage, export, alarm processing, and PTZ settings. The data storage section enables you to configure a log containing information on system events, including system errors. The system log is stored in a local database for each server. You can restrict user access to this log by setting appropriate user rights. In the period field, set the number of days to store system log data and metadata. Enter 0 to store data without time limits. In the appropriate field, enter the number of hours after which outdated events will be purged from the system log. If necessary, you can store the metadata database on network storage. You need to specify path and user credentials to access the NAS. By default, the metadata database is stored on local storage. The default path is set during the system installation. Click Apply. The system log and metadata storage are now configured. Let's proceed to the Export tab. If necessary, alter the path to the folder where exported files are stored. Setting default export formats for still frames and videos. Still images can be exported into JPEG or PDF files. Videos can be exported into MKV, EXE or AVI files. Select appropriate the codec and quality level for exported AVI files. If a protected zip archive export is necessary, set the access password. Exported EXE files are password protected. When setting the template for exported PDF files, you can specify the background image, document orientation, and block sizes. You can also set a watermark to be applied to exported video footage. Other useful settings for exported videos are frame rate and file size in megabytes. That's how we configure the export parameters. Now, let's proceed to the Alarm Processing tab. In the Time Period of Operator Reaction to Alarm field, you can set the alarm pending time. This is how much time the operator has to accept the alarm for processing before it is marked as unclassified. Set the maximum dwell time for alarms on the alerted camera's layout. After the dwell time has elapsed, the alarm will be removed from the layout and the next one shows. Specify types of alarms requiring obligatory comments from the operator. By default, only suspicious situation alarms need to be commented on. We have now configured alarm processing. In PTZ settings, you can set the idle time period after which PTZ control will be automatically restored. To hide higher priority usernames from being displayed, clear the corresponding checkbox. Now, you have successfully configured PTZ control.